Guys, welcome to my channel. Kasama ko na naman si Enji.
Lagi na lang ako kasama, ano ko ba?
Kaya nga ni Koy.
Ako na naman.
Itutuloy na natin yung bahay na to.
Tapon din na natin tuloy, no?
Oo.
Kaya ngayon natin tuloy.
Oo nga.
Mahirap yata yan, no?
Oo. Alam mo mag-design?
Ay, hindi ah.
Ito, yung design na ngayon. Guys. Ilalagay ko muna dito yung ang ganda ng chapters dito. Ilagay. Ilagay tayo ng oak planks. Kasi parang kuhan. Dito yung apartment ng mga villagers. Guys. Okay guys, dito na. Wait lang. Parang mali. Dito. What? Parang mali. Wait lang. Parang may mali. Ayos na lang yan guys, ayos na. Hindi ko pala natapos to. Nakalimutan ko, hindi ko to natapos. Hindi ko pala natapos to. Yan, tama ba? Design. Hindi, mali yung design guys. Dapat tama lagi ang design natin.
Kung hindi, pangit! May isang ngit-ngit!
Oo nga. Sa taas yung silpwes. Dito ko lang.
Sino pangit sa inyo? Magtawa. Kung may pangit, magtawa.
Okay guys, tutuloy na natin to.
Ano ba ginawa mo?
Yung apartment. Para, yan yung dyan titira lahat ng villagers.
Dyan sila mag-fight.
Hindi.
Yung
Dito.
mga villager, tapi yung villager. Yung mga villager, isa lang sila mag-fight.
Ito yung apartment. Yung dito nakakatira yung villagers.
Pag doon nakatira yung villager.
Ay no, malaki. Anong floor to? Gagawin ko lang. Yun nga. Ito yung kuan. Ito muna. Guys, may hirap talaga to.
Hours by hours, by days, by days, by days.
May hirap
Pag
talaga.
totoong buhay ang ginawa. Years by years by years. Ang ginagawa.
Yan. Yan yung first floor. Dito yung first floor. Second floor. Hindi. Dito yung first. Dito yung... Wait lang. Dito, ang ilang floor na ito. Parang maliit lang din to. Kasi, ayos lang, apartment lang naman. Apartment lang naman to, no, Jay?
Mahirap gawin yun, no?
Oo nga.
Bahay man, nagpira kayo.
Ay, no, gumagana yun, no? Pag kung may naririnig yan, iilaw yan. Natututext niya. Kung ako naging talagang builder.
Yo, chill.
Ang ganda naman gawa ko. Sheesh. 5 star.
Chill.
Hindi daw.
Hey, yo, chill.
Iilaw nga natin to, guys. Yun.
Hey, yo, chill.
Naglakad. Yan. Palakad siya pataas.
Shush.
Nandun yung motor?
Shush. Stay.
Nandun yung motor?
Saan na kayo si mami ko?
Nandun mo.
Mama, saan yung mami ko? Wala ko nga ba? Ayaw nga, wala daw sa pasok. Nalimutan pa wala akong pasok sa
Okay, lock in na ako. Okay, speedrun ko na.
1, 2, 3,
Go!
Hindi mo siya masunod. Pagod, sabi mo, speedrun.
Sa edit. Yun, ko na mabilis.
Yan, daig, kumanog. Hirap. Hello. Some sticky pistons. Build my sticky piston. Please.
No!
Please.
That will be sus today.
No. That is not sus.
Yes.
And the villagers.
Yes.
You build the sticky piston. A villager.
Maglagay muna tayo ng scaffolding, guys.
Wally.
Ito kaakyat pa. Yan to yung ginagamit ng builders. Uy, baka sa villagers, baka maging akong kwan.
Tawagin.
Ano yan?
King?
Hindi. Yung naggagawa ng bahay.
Ano?
Ay no, ginagamit ko to. Okay. Mahirap eh. I am aware. Delikado. Yes. Para mukhang totoo na binibuild pa yan. Para mukhang totoo, guys, pag binibuild. Gagawin natin malaki to. Gagantuin ko na lang pala. Punta ako sa loob. Wait lang, guys. Maglalagay muna akong under construction para hindi pumunta yung baby villager dito. Ayan. Dapat under construction. Tanggalin ko na lahat. Maglagay tayo under construction. O, wag na pa. Wag na nga pala.
Give me some sticky piston.
Na, you're sus.
I am not a sus girl. Give me the sus. Here's a stick piston. Please.
No?
And I have sticky piston.
No! Maglalagay naman tayo ng elevator. Enjoy lang gumawa ng elevator.
No.
Ganito lang yun, oh. Water. Saka kailangan mo maglagay ng glass para makita nila lahat ng nangyayari. Titigil to. Dapat. Gamit sa'yo.
Pwede maulo yung tubig.
Alam ko, may ginagawa lang ako. Signs. Alam mo yung gagawin ng sign? Titigilin daw niya yung tubig. Yan mo. Try muna natin. Kita mo nagbabubbles? Meaning, di mo. Pag pupunta ka dito, wait lang. Kanwari. No!
Sponge? Ayaw mo?
Mamaya. No, yan. No, Jay. Okay, bakit ka nagawang ito? Ito. Diba? Kita mo kung gano'n na. No! Ow!
Sponge na?
Saan galing ang tubig? Help me!
Sponge.
Wait.
Ayaw mo naman wala sponge.
Kasi may nilagay lang ako yun. Yun. Bababa na muna natin to, guys. Dito na lang sila akyat.
Sabi sa libro, may lovers daw ang ngipon. Ang pinagsama ang buhok ng lalaki at buhok ng babae at ikulukot sa isang ulo daw tulad ng hawak mo. Habang mo ay silang magsasama.
Speedrun.
Pumato siya.
May basag pala dun. Hindi, ano lang. It's the part of the plan, guys. I made a mistake. I made a mistake, guys. Sorry. I need to get it. I got it. I'm sorry, boy. Ano yung nangyari? Huh? Why is it not working? No. Okay, looking good, guys. This is looking good, guys.
Kaya maglagay tayo finisher kung makakapunta sila. Lagyan natin yung walimayan. Ay walang makapunta. Kahit mga monster. Yung maglalaban ng finisher tapos finisher.
Yung mga kanila soldiers ay yung golem. Ayan lang yung ibang floors. Wala naman ang magawa, guys.
O, di ginagay mo lang ng mga bintana. Punta na lang.
Wag na lang to apartment. Wag na lang to guys. Ano na lang guys. Dito nagtatrabaho ang mga...
Villagers. Diyan
Oh.
magtatrabaho yung villagers.
Dito na lang magtatrabaho lahat ng villagers.
Daga mo din naman yung tayo. Madinta na lang naman dito.
Dapat umiilaw kung gabi. Kaya may lalagay.
Binenta na lang na.
Looking good
Yung
guys.
roof, ano good?
Bintana din. Dapat may president tayong villager.
Ikaw.
Wala.
Ay, ikaw yung... Sila yung mayor. Ay, yung mayor. Ikaw yung... President.
Hindi, merong president.
May villager yung president.
No. Dito lang magtatrabaho. Kung meron ditong iron golem nakabantay.
Hindi ko kayo bibigyan ng
Dito.
pera kasi kung
Don't care, so sad.
ginawa.
He's a little, guys. He's in the last video, the stick man. He barked. Why are you looking at me, huh?
I'm gonna
What's
kill
the
you!
problem?
Your build is so trash!
Ah, you wanna beef with me, huh?
Trash, trash!
What's up then?
Don't hit me! Don't hit me!
Run away, bro. What's your problem? He said he's gonna kill me. What's his problem? I made him, bro. I spawned him. He needs some respect from me. Or it's gonna be dead. He's gonna be dead by now. Oh, shit. Kill that guy. It's annoying. But yeah, so they have meat liquid. Okay.
He said I'm ugly. How could he? I-edit natin, ilagay natin. Sinabi ng villager, yung ugly. Bakit mo rin nagsabi mo?
He said me I'm ugly.
You're not ugly.
He's the ugly one. He's a green villager.
You are not ugly.
He's ugly. He looks like a villager with a. He's a villager, but he's green. He's nothing to do with me, boy. Okay, how to? Di ako makababa. Ano makababa? Ah, dito naman yung babaan. Dito yung babaan, guys. Dito yung baba, guys. Dito. Guys. Dito naman yung babaan. Dito lang sila magkawan. Dito sila bababa.
No. No.
Dito sila bababa.
Ha?
Dito sila bababa. Diba?
Bibigyan ko siya akin ng
Bang! Looking good. Okay, dito na lang sila magkatrabaho. Oh, looking good, guys.
Ayun na lang. Ayaw mo din.
Ito na lang.
kaya hindi siya.
Wag na lang to, guys. Gagawin to na lang.
Wow.
Ayan na. I don't know what to do with that. Ayun yung bridge. Maglagay tayo ng torture. Ay, di. Yet win. Let's make a torture room. Ay, the prison. Shut!
Hi there. Hi there. Hi there. Hi there. Hi
Kasi Jay! Huwag ka ibit ang ibit.
Hi
Come on.
there.
I'm gonna make a prison right here.
No. No prison.
I will build a prison.
Oh my no. Prison is you are bad. Said the police. But
Pwede ka lang
you
magtagalog,
are not
Jay.
bad.
Pwede ka lang magtagalog.
Na. Hi Ben. Hi Ben.
Guys, comment down below if you're...
No rocks.
Say guys.
No
Say guys to NJ. Don't say I bet.
Why? Hi Ben. Hi
Kasi Jay!
Hi Ben. Hi Ben. Hi Ben. I begging you. Can I have please
Shut up!
$4?
I don't want.
Hi
No, I don't wanna.
Hi Ben.
I'm gonna turn up the mic. Okay, guys. I hear you, boy. Hindi nakakatawa. Hindi ako natatawa. Walang natatawa. Walang natatawa. I hate you. Shut up ka na. I-alis kita dito sa Boomers kung gusto mo. Doon ka na lang kay Grox. Doon ka na lang kay Grox. Kanina ka pa ibit ng ibit.
Ayoko ka sticky piston.
Doon ka na kay Sticky Piston man.
Na.
Doon ka na din kay Siwat.
Ano sino?
Siwat, if you're watching this, please get him.
Hi, Ben.
Bibigay kita kay Grox para magbigyan ka ng sticky piston measure. Hindi mo nga kaya.
Sasabihin ko on the rock. Please, sticky piston agad dinigay mo.
Dalawa sang bibigay. Meron. Sige, tika lang, sticky piston. Yeah. May sticky piston ako dito. Ilalagay ko sa kambing NJ, papangalan ko. Gusto mo?
Sige, sige.
Sige, teka lang. If you want to.
Be.
Totoo naman, Jay. Gusto mo akanin yung kambing mo? He wants it, guys.
Hi, be. Hi, be. Hi.
Para tumahimik ka na, Jay. Lalagay ko na yung phone.
Hi, be. Sheep naman yan. Ano ka?
Eh, kambing din yung sheep.
Be.
Oo, Tagalog lang. Damo ka talaga. Eh, yung sheep.
Hi, be.
Gusto mo? Ha?
Yes.
You want some?
Ayo.
Hindi ko ma-straight. Teka lang.
Hi, be.
Okay, shut up ka na. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Taas naman. Paano ko kaya makukuha yung na to, guys, ha? It's the same thing. Wait lang. Ew.
Ayo.
Stay. Wait lang. Ganito na lang. Siya na lang itataas natin. Okay? I'm sorry. Needs to happen. It needs to happen. What happened to the boat? What happened to the boat? It's black.
I'm very now.
What the heck? Thank God. Bakit ayaw?
Oh, yeah.
Go, your turn. Sayo.
Button.
No. Automatic lang yan. Teka lang.
Ayo.
You got it. You got it. Sound check. Yes.
Ayo, chill.
I'm not chilling.
Ayo, chill.
Hindi naman pantay. Ganun pantay ito, guys. Alam ko na. Igaganto ko lang. No, mali. Why? Guys. This is a sticky measure. I got it.
Ay, ben.
Automatic. Wait. Automatic. I know what to.
Ay, ben.
Okay, guys. This is the one.
Ay, ben.
Uli. Ay, be!
Ay, ben. Ay, ben. Ay, ben.
Para double kill.
Ay, ben. Ayo. Ay, ben.
You want it? Wait, maglalagay ako villager. Let's do some commands. Slash give.
Ay, ben.
Massive. As a barrier. NJ wants it. Yeah, NJ wants it, boys. If he wants it, he takes it. Villager takes it. Oh, villager, don't cry. It's not gonna hurt. Hindi yan masakit, villager. Tuturukan ka lang sa paa. Until a random villager was spawned. Come on, you villager.
Come on.
Hey, you! Chill!
Hey, yo.
Kill the villager! What did I do? Kill the villager.
Hey, yo.
What the hell? God damn, boy.
Man. You just killed my meme.
Yes. Thank you.
Please,
Siya na lang.
please.
Hindi yan babae.
Get me out
Lalaki
of
yan.
here. Don't, no.
Saska.
No, get me out of
I will
here.
give you...
Let me out of here. Hey, I'm just a
Hey.
fisherman. No. No. Don't do this.
Yeah,
Don't
twin.
do this.
That's a man.
Oh, don't do this. I will be your slave. I will be your slave. Please just don't do it. Please.
Oh, villager, don't cry. No one's gonna hurt you. But I do.
You can't. You cannot sticky fish with me. Yes, you noob.
Oh,
You
bakit ka
noob.
ganyan sila?
You're not listening to me, huh? You wanna beef, huh? I'm gonna get out here. Oh no. No.
Hindi pa ganyan. Ako nga nagkukuman dito.
I know what you're doing. No, please.
Wag mo naman yan.
Please.
This is my world.
I have a wife. Please.
Ito yung ginagawa ko kasi wag ko to.
Please. Don't do it. Please. No.
Are you ready?
No.
Nakapingin yung best friend mo. Kasabay na rin siya.
Hey, what's going on? You're gonna get me out of here.
And you're ready.
No.
Now, I'm turning grog. That's the torture room. That's a torture. That's a torture. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, villagers. They having a great fun.
Nagpapan lang sila doon.
That's your fault.
The villagers just died.
Okay, I'm leaving, guys. That's one a feedback, boy. What the hell? Okay, guys. I'm gonna log off now. What the hell? No.
Cannot get out.
Take revenge! This is not real, guys. This is not real.